this really bad tongue virus and I had to scrape it off.
Sickness!
Attention all students, report to the gym and get your mandatory flu shot.
Ow.
Behind the line, germ bag.
Hey! Steady.
What's the hold-up, Nurse Newcomb? Of course, Robot Jones. Now enough of this nonsense. Take your shot like a man.
I do not need your insignificant flu shot.
Insignificant? Do you know what a flu germ is, boy?
Affirmative. Flu germ. Noun. See influenza.
Wrong! Flu germs are marauding pirates, sailing the seas in search of healthy bodies to ravish, causing a healthy body to become sick. But with healthy foods and proper exercise and flu shots, we can stamp out these germs. So take the flu shot and save me from the pirates.
Oh, silly principal.
Math class!
All right, class, clam up. Class, let me introduce our new computer science teacher, Mr. Mitchell.
Hello, people! Welcome to the wonderful world of computers! Did you know computers are all around you?
Huh? Where?
Who here likes video games?
Video games, video games, video games.
I thought so. Well, by knowing a thing or two about computers and using binary language, I've been able to program my own video games.
Wow!
Gather around. Check them out. There's ping pong.
Yeah!
Hockey.
Cool!
Soccer.
Boss!
This is boring. Time for a little sleep mode.
And that class is just the beginning, as this film will show. Young man, could you get the lights?
Sure. It seems, dear brother, that Mr. Mitchell has provided us with a unique situation. Get the disc.
The future and you. When you look at a modern appliance, what do you think of?
Make me proud, my precious.
And remember, the future is up to you.
Lights! You see, class, all of these future technologies will need to be programmed, which we will learn how to do on the trusty Macintosh 2000! How? Packy! What's wrong? What is it, baby? What's this? There's something in the disk drive. This disk has given my computer a virus! Be gone, vile infector! Systems test! 1 plus 1 equals... Come on! Relax. Just add the numbers. You can do it! 1 plus 1 equals... 3? 3? No!
Yes! The test is a success.
My precious.
Operation Sick is ready to go.
Robot won't even know what hit him.
Fortune continues to smile upon us, brother. Robot Jones appears to be in sleep mode.
Eat my disc, Robot.
Strange. My sleep mode seems to have exhausted me.
Soon, all of Robot Jones's systems will malfunction, and the Yogman twins will be there to help him out.
Yeah, and then we'll reprogram him and make him a robot slave. English!
Gesundheit?
Peculiar. I.
Dude, are you sneezing?
Negative. My system is spontaneously rebooting.
Maybe you got the flu.
Impossible.
Well, maybe you caught that virus from Mr. Mitchell's computer.
No way, Jose. We never had interface.
Keep it down and finish your poems.
Roses vibrate in no electromagnetic spectrum has red. Violets vibrate along the...
Man, it's hot in here. Whoa! Robot, you're burning up!
Yes, I feel a tad warm. Perhaps I do have a virus.
Robot Jones!
Well, well. Robot Jones in my office yet again. Now explain to me why it is you set a fire in my school?
I apologize, Principal Madman. I did not mean to. I think I have come down with a virus.
A virus? I thought you said that you were immune to the flu.
I am immune to your feeble flu germ, but I have the much more serious computer virus.
Is it contagious?
Actually,
What? I'm infected! Robot, come back! Is there a cure? Oh no! It's worse than I thought. The computer virus is spreading. I've got to warn the masses. Attention, all students. This is Principal Madman. Avoid Robot Jones at all costs. He has a computer virus.
You're right. Robot does have a computer virus.
We gotta help the little dude.
Let's get Mr. Mitchell. He'll know what to do.
Good one.
I repeat, Robot Jones has a computer virus. Avoid him at all costs. Save yourselves.
don't leave me. Help.
Oh, sweet fluorescent lights. Only now do I understand your sad song. You are like they, like I soon will be. A machine with no free will. You have no say about when you shine. Always someone else turning you on and on and on. Already I'm feeling the effects. I've organized my desk and balanced my checkbook more efficiently than before. Maybe there are some advantages in being a robot. In fact, if I were a robot, I could upgrade myself and become a super robot principal. Sweet fluorescent lights, your song is not a sad song. 'Tis the ballad of victory!
Mr. Mitchell!
All right. One more test. 1 + 1 equals 2! You did it, baby! You did it!
Mr. Mitchell?
Great news, kids! I fixed the computer!
Great! Now you gotta fix Robot Jones. He got the computer virus.
Let's save Robot Jones!
Yeah! Meanwhile...
Please don't run. Help me. Systems malfunctioning at an accelerated rate. Soon I will shut down completely.
Hello, friend. Need a hand?
Oh, no. Not the Yagman twins. What mean things are you going to do to me?
You got us all wrong, pal. We heard you were sick. And we just wanted to help a friend.
I have a computer virus.
You don't say. Well, what are we waiting for? Denny, get disc 2. And you, robot, remove your breastplate.
There you go.
Not so fast, kids! Step aside and let me take a peek-see. Yep, there it is. The infected disc. Property of the Yogmans. You Yogmans have a lot of Hey!
Buffoons! You'll never be able to stop the Yagman twins.
Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, boop. Robot principal has detected hall intruders.
Run for it! Ow!
Ouch! My ear!
Let me see your hall pass. Let me see your hall pass. Let me see your hall pass.
Principal Man-Man! What are you wearing?
Ever since Robot Jones gave me the computer virus, I decided to accept my fate and become a superior robot principal. Beep-boop.
There's some kind of misunderstanding. Robot Jones can't give humans a computer virus.
Oh?
But the Yogmans are responsible for giving the school computer and Robot Jones a virus.
Well, it looks like the Yorkmans need to be quarantined in detention.
Now let's fix up Robot Jones.
Data log entry. Both humans and robots can be invaded by foreign material that can damage their normal operations. But as long as you have good friends to take care of you, everything will be alright. Then again, some humans are sick in a way that cannot be cured. Entry concluded.
Got to keep on cubing.
Gotta keep on cubing.
Gotta keep on cubing.
Gotta keep on cubing.
Got to keep on cubing. Got to keep on cubing. Got to keep on cubing. Got to keep on cubing. Got to keep on cubing. Cube your cares away. Come on and get cubing now.